A collateral proceeding occurs outside of the direct appeal process and attacks a final judgment. Habeas corpus is a collateral proceeding. In Whorton v. Bockting, we explore what happens when the United States Supreme Court creates a new criminal procedure rule while a collateral proceeding is pending. The state of Nevada charged Marvin Bockting with sexually assaulting his wife's 6-year-old daughter, Autumn. Before charges were filed, Detective Charles Zinovitch interviewed Autumn with her mother present. Autumn described the alleged sexual assaults in detail and acted them out with anatomically correct dolls. The trial court held a hearing outside the jury's presence to determine whether Autumn could testify. Ultimately, the trial court ruled that Autumn couldn't testify because she became distraught when asked about the assaults. Under a Nevada statute, out-of-court statements made by young children regarding sexual assaults were admissible if the child couldn't testify and the court determined that the statements were circumstantially trustworthy. The trial court rejected Bockting's claim that admitting Autumn's statements would violate the Sixth Amendment's Confrontation Clause. It allowed Zinovitch and Autumn's mother to testify about the statements. The jury convicted. The Nevada Supreme Court affirmed. The court relied on the United States Supreme Court's decision in Ohio v. Roberts. There, the court held that the admission of an unavailable declarant's hearsay statement at a criminal trial doesn't violate the Sixth Amendment if the statement bears sufficient indicia of reliability. The Nevada Supreme Court found that Autumn's statement was sufficiently reliable. Bockting filed a petition for a writ of habeas corpus in federal district court against Nevada Department of Corrections Director Glenn Whorton. Bockting again argued that the use of Autumn's statement violated the Sixth Amendment. The district court denied Bockting's petition. Bockting appealed to the Ninth Circuit. While that appeal was pending, the United States Supreme Court issued its decision in Crawford v. Washington. There, the court overruled Roberts and held that an unavailable declarant's testimonial out-of-court statements aren't admissible in a criminal trial unless the defendant had a prior opportunity to cross-examine the witness. Applying Crawford, the Ninth Circuit reversed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.